Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Selenium automation testing, today I will show you browser navigation command. How browser navigation command works in Selenium WebDriver automation. Today's tutorial all about that. So in order to before creating your Selenium automation testing, just open any browser, then type over here navigate to chase.com, then hit enter. Is the Chase web page appeared. It is navigated to chase.com. Then click somewhere else like a commercial link. Click commercial, then it navigated to the commercial page. Then if you want to backward this page, then click back button in browser. It goes to the previous page. Then if you want to forward, you click forward button, then it is forwarded. Then again, if you want to refresh this page, click reload button, it reloaded. So that's about the browser navigation command. So those commands will automate using Selenium WebDriver. So let's go to the Eclipse, open Eclipse, then we'll write some code in order to do that. Here is Eclipse, like it is a package level selected. Click file, then new, then click other. Here is test.ng class. Click next. Here we will go up to source folder. Then we have to name class name as a browser navigation. Browser navigation. Then we'll take before method and we'll take after method. Then click finish. Class is created. It is just for organizing purpose. We'll test method will take middle. First is the before method, then test, then after method. So cut from here, we'll put it. It is not mandatory, it's just for organizing purpose. So first we have to create the WebDriver instance. WebDriver driver equal to null. So WebDriver is a red mark, mouse over here, import WebDriver. Then it is gone. Now we have to set the property for the driver, which is system.set property. It's the key value pair. Here WebDriver Chrome.driver, as we will use the Chrome browser, that's why it is WebDriver.chrome.driver. Then we have to take the path for where our driver is. So I copied path over here, copy from here, and we put path over here. Then statement ended up with semicolon. Go to the next line, then driver equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome driver is the red mark, mouse over here, import the Chrome driver, so it will okay. Then driver dot navigate dot to, here will be your URL. This is a navigation command, browser will open with this URL. Our URL is chase.com. Let's open any browser, type chase.com, copy this URL and paste it over here. So browser will navigate over here. Once it is navigated, browser might open a small window or something else, then we could maximize the browser. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Once it is maximized, then click somewhere else. We'll go to the test method. So here we can write the console message syso systemout.println browser navigated to chase. Okay. Once it is done, we'll go to the test method. We'll figure it out. One element which is commercial, then we have to go back and forward. Driver dot find element by dot expath we took before. Just copy from here in order to make the video shorter. Control C, copy, and paste it over here. Then dot click. So it is done. Then we can do some wait time over here. Thread dot sleep, let's say 2000 milliseconds. That means 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. It is red mark. Mouse over, add throws declaration, red mark will gone. Now once it is navigated to commercial, then we want to navigate back. Driver dot navigate dot backward, navigate dot back, semicolon. Now again we can put some wait time. Thread dot sleep, it's a 2000 millisecond, semicolon. Then you can do driver dot navigate dot forward. It will forward again. Now you can do again, we can wait sometimes. Thread dot sleep 2000 millisecond. It's a little wait time, 2 seconds wait time, just to load the page. Then again we can do driver dot navigate dot refresh. That will refresh the page. So what we did, that we navigated to a page which is chase.com. Then we click on element. After clicking, we go back to the original page. Then again click forward button, it will go forward. Then we did the page refresh. That's all about our testing. So here we can put custom message syso control space system browser navigated successfully. That's all done. Now in after method we will close the browser. Driver dot close. Then also we can put custom message over here. Browser closed successfully. That's all about our command, browser navigation command. Here navigate to URL, then click any element, then navigate back, then navigate forward, then browser refresh, then we close the browser. This is all about our testing for today's purpose. Save it. Now we can run, right click, run as test-ng test. Let's see how browser works. Browser open and chase.com, it's navigated, it's maximize the browser, then it click commercial page load, Now it should go backward, then it going forward again, then phase reload. So all the browser navigation commands works properly through the automation and browser got closed. And you see all test cases is passed. So that's all about our testing. If you think this is basically this will be helpful, those who are new in Selenium automation testing, if you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Thank you for watching this video.